Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy guide on how to convert Polygon Matic to BNB on Smart Chain BSC in MetaMask. So to get started with the guide, this is a simple swap because you are moving from one network to another. So you need to use a bridge or a cross-chain swap service first. And here's a guide on how you can simply do this. So the first thing to do is to confirm you have a MetaMask configured for both network, which is the Polygon mainnet, and Binance Smart Chain, which is the BSC. So go to a bridge or a swap platform, some popular across chain bridge or a platform you can use. So you can use a Rainbow bridge app, or you can also use the multi-chain app or the multi-chain website. You can also use chainswap.net. So this bridge platform connects directly with MetaMask. I repeat, you can use Rainbow Bridge app. You can also use www.multichain.org or use the chainswap.net. So this bridge platform connect directly with MetaMask. So once that is done, connect your MetaMask. So to connect your MetaMask, click connect wallet to the bridge website and approve MetaMask connection. So what that is done, select source and target, which is you're sending from the Polygon Matic. Then you receive to BSC, which is your Binance Smart Chain. Then the token is Matic. So enter the amount you want to transfer. Then after that, confirm the break. So MetaMask will prompt you to approve the transaction and pay a small network fee. Then the bridge will also transfer your token across the chain, and this take a few minutes to complete your own transaction. So after that, switch your MetaMask network. So once completed, switch your MetaMask network to BSC network, and you should see your token, typically a bridge version, or can also use the Pigmatic in your wallet, and that's it. And here's a quick paranote: bridging is irreversible, so make sure you check the network, the amount, and the address first. And once that is done, bridge transaction may incur additional fee, and that's it. Find the video helpful. If it is, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.